Hello guys! Today I have only 12 euro session. Palabras sorturas. Lucky words. Hola! Bom dia! Mais um dia de luta. Vamos jogar e ganhar. Tenho os números 26, não, 25, 26, 27, 28. 4 in a row, guys. Okay? Let's play the old-fashioned way. P and G. No? Oh Lord. I don't know how to play in this. There's. What's going on here? Not working or what? Kind of coin is this? It doesn't work. Ah, Jesus. Okay. P. And what the? No, G. J and R. 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 There's P here. Okay. And my dancing tripod. N and M. N and M. No? What kind of ticket I bought? No N, no M. Oh Lord, or I don't see. I N Z I. Lord have mercy, this ticket. H and C. H, and there's R here. C. H and C. B. U and V. U. 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 No, not V. It's B, Jessica. Oh Lord. No, B. It's not V, it's B. Hi, it's a mistake. No B or what? I don't see. There's. Hi. Q and X. Q. No X. L and T. L. T. There's U here. L. L. V and O. There's the L here. Hi. V. V here. V. O. But no S. No, no. There's I. There's I, no. There's I, but there's no E. No E, so this is not a winner. Okay, so the first ticket is not a winner. Ticket number 25. Ticket number 26. Number 26. I and Q. I. 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 No Q. H and no H. Okay. J and N. N. J. Hi. This old-fashioned way is a lot of A and X. X. A. 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 And there's N here. Okay. T and D. T. No D. U and R. R. U. U. R. I need O to it. R. I need S to win. F. Ah, it's a winner. F, E. Okay, so this is a winner. F, E, Z. Okay. F. F. No O. Okay. There's R. F. There's T. Oh Lord, Sika. There's R. No O. V and B. No. No V, no B. Or I don't see. C and E. 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 E, but no O. E, but no S. No S. No O, no S. No S. So only one win in the bonus area. How much? For sure. €3 for sure is a winner. Okay, so ticket number 26 is a winner. €3. Let's go to ticket number 27. Let's do the fast way. Sometimes I get tired of finding letters one by one, guys. Mio. M-E, but no U. No U, so it's not a winner. Fast, no R. No letter A. Fika, no letter A. Li. Give me the L. There's no L. No A, no A. Circle. C-E-R-C. No O, of course. If there's O, I win. Ria, Plano, Limo. Limo, there's no L. R, there's no O. Sol, S-U, no L. Cinto, no O. Not a winner. But it's a winner. Oh Lord, Sika. Where's the win here? S-U? Maybe Mew. Oh no, not Mew. This is a winner, but where is the win? No letra A. Pika, no letra A. Li, no L. Where is the win here? Circle. C E R C O, no O. Limo. Maybe limo. No L. So where is the win here? Soul, maybe no L also. Ro S-O-L. This is the winner, but where is the win? There's no O. So no O. There's maybe a win somewhere. Maybe there's no L. Pass. Oh Lord. Circle. There's no O. Mew. M-A-U. Here. There's U. Oh Lord. Sika. What is the letter K? €5 or what? It's a winner. Okay, so back-to-back wins, guys. €5. Okay. Mew. Ticket number 27. It's a winner. Ticket number 26. It's a winner. Okay. 26. It's a winner. 27. It's a winner. So back to back. Let's go to 28. 28. Let's go the old-fashioned way. S and B. S, B, S. Okay. I, 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 I. No S, no B. There is, but there's no B. V and J. There's V. Oh Lord, Sika. J. No. X and P. P. What's the X? No. O. And O. G. O. O. Ay, Sika. Need letter A to win. Give me letter A, M and D. M. No D? Or what? No D. Or I don't see. L and C. C. There's M, right? Hi. L. L. M. No R. No A. U and T. U. T. It's not useful. R and Q. Not useful. R, but no letter A. There's T here. There's G, but no letter A. R, R, R. Ay, Lord. Nada. Not a winner. No. Okay, T and K. Okay, so I bought uh, I bought 4 tickets. Maybe I miss letters, but I spent 12 and I got back €8. Okay, so €3 and €5, 26 and 27. Okay, €4 donation to Portugal Lottery. Old-fashioned way of playing, but still I struggle to find the letters. Okay, so not bad, guys. Not bad. €4 donation is not bad. Okay, bye. Have a nice day. Ciao. Thank you for watching. Obrigada a todos. Ciao.